friends, my name is Dikshanvita. Welcome to my channel Mattricks. In this video, we learn about subtractions using base method. Here, we don't use the normal borrowing method. For this, we take the bases of the digits 1 to 9. We know that 1 plus 9 is 10. Means if we add 1 to 9, we get 10. So, we say that the base of 1 is 9 and the base of 9 is 1. In the same way, the base of 2 is 8 and the base of 8 is 2. The base of 3 is 7 and the base of 7 is 3. The base of 4 is 6 and the base of 6 is 4. And the base of 5 is 5 only. Just remember these bases while doing subtractions. We take one example. 345 minus 213. Here 5 is bigger than 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 is bigger than 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 is bigger than 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Here we didn't require any borrowing. Directly we can do the subtraction. Now take another example. 5436 minus 3567. First we do this by normal borrowing method. Here 6 is smaller than 7. So we borrow 1 from 3. It will become 16. Then 16 minus 7 is 9. Now we write 9 here. Here we cut 1 from 3. It will become 2. Again this 2 is smaller than 6. So we borrow 1 from 4. Then it will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now we write 6 here. Now we cut 1 from 4. It will become 3. Here also 3 is smaller than 5. So we borrow 1 from 5. It will become 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Now we write 8 here. Then we cut 1 from 5. It will become 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we write 1 here. So here the answer is 1869. But this process is very difficult to understand, isn't it? Now I will tell one easy method. We take the same example. 5436 minus 3567. Here 6 is smaller than 7. So we cannot subtract 7 from 6 directly. For this we take the base of 7. Now what is the base of 7? The base of 7 is 3. Then we add 3 to 6. We get 9. Now we write 9 here. We cut 1 from 3. It will become 2. Again this 2 is smaller than 6. So we cannot subtract directly. For this we take the base of 6. Now what is the base of 6? The base of 6 is 4. Now we add 4 to 2. We get 6. Now we write 6 here. Then we cut 1 from 4. It will become 3. Here also 3 is smaller than 5. So we cannot subtract directly. Now what is the base of 5? It is 5 only. Now we add 5 to 3. We get 8. Now we write 8 here. Now we cut 1 from 5. It will become 4. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we write 1 here. This is our answer. See how easy it is, isn't it? Now you forget about the regular borrowing method and use this method to do subtractions. Okay, bye friends. We will meet in the next video.